So I've been to Australia, and I looked, and the toilets really do go the wrong way. Some people don't believe it. This particular toilet, it's Corona, and it's from Australia, but it's installed in the United States. And when we flush this toilet, I'm going to need a hand flushing the toilet. When we flush the toilet, you'll see that it's set up to go the other way, and then it turns around because it's in the United States. So if you could see from the top left-hand corner of the screen, it starts shooting around the bowl counterclockwise, and then it starts running into itself and spins back around clockwise. Let's see if we have enough time to do it one more time. We've got to let it fill up a little bit. So this is an Australian toilet installed in the United States. And then it turns around. So there you are. It really does go backwards in Australia, because not only because it's upside down and backwards, but they designed the toilet to go that way, but it changes in the United States.